need a classic car tow, that's a vibe. I'ma hit 'em with that hook 'em up 2 times. You know me, your boy Oz from Toad Vibes. I'm just trying to make it through the day and stay alive. Hey, y'all see a tow guy on the side. Y'all best move over cause you might hit him and do some time.
So we just pulling up to the TA and we're gonna get it loaded up. Hey y'all, how you doing? I see Dan got to work.
Yeah, him and Andrew took everything.
Yeah.
Everything but this stuff.
Okay.
I left this. I didn't know if you needed it to maybe if you're strapping down.
Well, what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna throw a tarp on it, and I brought a car cover, so that way the wind won't get up in there.
Well, we should have kept the car cover out of the Camaro, and it would have.
Oh man, I didn't think of that.
Yeah, because
You know
there's
what
one
I'm
in the Camaro.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, maybe I'll trade Dan. Maybe I'll take that one, and then he can have that one. You know what I'm saying? This one is a little oversized that I got. It's like I didn't even look. I didn't even realize there's different sizes to them. So this thing is probably cover a boat. So.
Oh, well, the one that goes with the Camaro is the Camaro's.
Oh yeah. So it's
got the special
yeah,
little-
right.
yeah.
I wanted to make sure I had a little bit of extra too, so you know I can get it wrapped around there. So.
Can help you?
I got to get it off the. Well, the nice thing is I can line it up with the casters, and then I can take it off of there.
You've got Jimmy's pallet. It's jacked. in case
Okay.
you needed it to-
Sure thing. Let me get set up.
Me too.
I bet he's really excited to get started on it. I would be.
Said the boys were going to pay you in the morning because they're going to have to open the trailer.
Oh, yeah. You know what? Me looking back at that, yeah. But they're young, you know what I'm saying? They can put, you know what I'm saying? So, you know how it goes. Gotta keep them in shape. Gotta keep the little guys in shape. You know? Give them that good work ethic, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I asked them. Asked the guy that was here doing my battery for me.
Yeah.
It's my ex-husband. It's my,
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He came over to help us, and he's got a Lincoln Mark V
Those are cool.
in his driveway.
Does he?
I said, "Do you want me to ask him about it?" He said, "No, she ain't for sale."
That's his baby. Yeah, I had a buddy with one of those.
They talk to you and everything.
The funny thing is that car, I remember I wouldn't let me, he wanted to take me for a ride in it, and he drove crazy, and it was a 5.0 high output, just like that one. I wouldn't let me take him for a ride in it because I was so terrified he was seriously gonna hurt me in that car. Yeah, and usually I don't care, but I don't know, if I don't think your driving skills are that great, we're not gonna go for a ride.
What do you need? He's not coming out here. He's not feeling
Yeah, that's okay. Don't worry, he will be feeling good. You know, he's back at home. He just needs a little bit of time to heal.
Yeah.
And if he ever wants to find another kind of car or do something or whatever, I got connections. You know what I'm saying? I know people that are contemplating on selling their cars that just need a good enough kind of reason to. But I know all the guys around here. I got a guy with a Chevelle, guy with a Camaro. I got some Mopar guys that might sell, you know, so let me know.
We will definitely. I got your number.
Yeah,
Totally.
I know you just got to get, you know, so much going on right now. Sometimes it's better just to get rid of everything, free up some capital, and then you can make a move once you're, you know, yeah. I just did a video where I sold my other personal car to a nice young lad, and I wasn't happy about it. You know what I'm saying? It was a Subaru, it was a little STI. Different than this, you know, more of a tuner style car, but I still really like that car. But I had to get rid of it to kind of free up some cash to do some other things. You know what I'm saying?
You got that? That's how much Uber will cost for the airport.
Isn't that highway robbery? Man, a tow's almost that much and you're taking the whole dang car. Good old hot rod straps. So how you guys holding up? Good?
Yeah, if more it gets closer to the end of everything, then easier it's getting.
Well, good.
Then, the house is pretty much complete except for the bed and the
Yeah.
nightstand. And a little bit of groceries. Tomorrow they're coming at 10 o'clock, my ex, to help us get the rest of the stuff out. You want us to help you push
Oh,
it?
if you won't mind, it's a little bit, a
Yeah,
little bit
she's
extra help
heavy.
definitely help. We're just gonna line it right into the middle there.
Too bad we can't just leave her on the casters and push her.
No, it's gonna go straight on, straight off. Those wheels are so little with the lip and how it is, it won't. Hopefully she'll roll nice and easy, but I got other equipment if it doesn't.
You can have the wheelies if you
Oh,
want.
thank you.
You're welcome.
You know, I'm gonna go ahead, I'll probably give those to Dan, just cause he'll probably want to be able to move. I want this car to easily be able to be moved so it doesn't get, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So
and these things were great. We rolled around the whole garage.
yeah, I actually have a set in the tow truck and I use them for that. And then I got on my other truck, I have the really big ones that are to lift the whole car up. You can lift the whole car up and the wheels are like that big. Yeah, I think we should be okay there. That's good right there. I love this because I have so much room to put my stuff. You know, and usually there's fenders, I'm crawling around on the ground, so. And you guys can always check out Dan's shop. He's got a nice little showroom and stuff with cars, and I want to go to Fast Lane. I've never been there.
Oh, we just for a fun.
Yeah, just to go eat some popcorn and go look at some hot rods, right?
Him and I used to go down there and just, get popcorn, walk around.
That's what I'm saying.
And that's where you can find out where all the car shows are too.
Yeah, they had a really big one. I think they had a Cars and Coffee meet over there that was like ginormous with supercars. But I was too busy working. I've been taking a lot of time off lately, but you need to. You know, you need to stay sane, you know.
Yeah. Mr. Donovan been a little upset that he missed out.
Yeah, I think so, but you know, unfortunately under, just his situation, it was putting me in a lot of bind because this week I just don't really have the time. I got family coming in from out of town, and you know what I'm saying? I just didn't feel the urgency like how Danny was just very kind of like me, which I understand. When you find something like this, typically you beeline it, you know what I'm saying? And it's just a lot easier. And I know Danny was willing on taking both cars, and the reason I did all this was more because to help you guys.
I appreciate it.
You know what I'm saying? I wasn't doing this for anybody else, really. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I would rather someone else's feelings that'll get over it more than it would have affected you and your family. So, I had to make a decision, but at the end of the day, I'm still happy with the decision that I made.
Me too.
Because you got rid of both cars.
Yeah.
And I'll find other stuff. I told Mr. D, I said, hey, I'll find some other stuff. And I always do. I come across this. I'm a tow guy. I got advertising everywhere. You know what I'm saying? You talk to somebody that talks to somebody. I got other people I towed for. So eventually this, word's going to start getting around even more. But then I'll be blessed to do this kind of stuff. Because I document this stuff. It goes on my channel, and stuff like that. So I feel, to me, that's valuable too within itself. And going the other route was hindering that whole process, which I had already invested so much time into. So, you know what I'm saying? So it was just, it was like blind faith. I kind of just, let the good man upstairs just kind of put everything in place for me.
Sure
So,
did for us. That was-
yeah, right on. Well, I hope
My
you,
sister decides to sell her 79 Trans Am,
Yeah.
which is 100% original.
yeah.
Everything.
I'd almost
I will
promise
let
you,
know.
Dan would probably take that too. I mean,
It's all original.
I'm not too sure. He'll probably hold on to both cars for a while, but obviously eventually he might gonna have to recoup some money.
Oh, yeah.
You know, if anything, this one would probably be the one he's gonna fix up and sell, and I would imagine he would keep that other one. But you don't know. Us guys, sometimes when it's done, you get
right.
kind of, yeah, you like seeing it, and you're like, yeah. Start telling the old lady, yeah, I'll sell it. You know, I'll get it online. Yeah, I think the computer's broken. I don't know. We got to figure it out. I'm good. I got to lift each side up and then take it off, and then I can roll it freely. You can use a little bit of wood so we don't scratch up the underneath here.
Yeah, plenty of wood here too.
Yeah, I might, you know, I'll take you up on that, because for a tow guy, wood is valuable.
Oh, you're welcome to any of it you see, because we were just gonna leave it. That's what her and I were just talking about. What do we need to kind of clean up in here?
Thank God, pretty much. It's amazing how much stuff you accumulate over the years, isn't it?
I didn't have a lot.
Really? Man, I got all kinds. When I moved, it was like endless.
No, we got a 17-foot trailer, loaded it, and we were gone.
You were out now.
All we got in here is a mattress that he's on. We want to take it yet.
Yeah, it's another reason I'm glad I brought that car because his fenders are still on there and stuff, so.
Yeah, because Jimmy had said they're not going to take the fenders off when they move it.
But if I got the car cover on it, then when they can get behind it.
Yeah.
I got a whole bunch of bungees.
Old Brown Betty.
No, where's she going? Have you seen, he does a lot of good cars, he really does.
What's the name of the shop?
And Indy Motorsports, he's on Facebook and stuff. He posts all his stuff on there. I was trying to say the cars, it's not really done.
I don't have Facebook, so.
Yeah, well, she can get on there and show you.
Yeah.
Plus, when you go out there, stuff, you can have pictures. You know, anybody that gets a car, you sell it, everything else, financing, and all
I
that.
did see that on his webpage. He does do that. That's pretty cool.
Oh, yeah. Being a dealer?
Yeah.
That's so cool, isn't it? Yeah. Dealership life is cool. That's when I started out when I was a tow guy. With some cars, then I got into repossession and probably got killed fast. You know.
I had a friend that did repossession.
Yeah, I got it.
Ooh, yeah, he didn't like to do
I couldn't hurt anybody. Anybody can go repossess a car, but to help people, you know, in their situations where they're on the highway and, you know, the cars are all there. That to me is real important.
Yeah, repossession, it's sad because you're taking the car away from them.
Yeah, okay.
And their stuff's all in.
Sorry, but like I always say, you coming.
Sorry, girl. At least he said no.
Got a whole lot of muscle cars on this truck. Definitely more than I could count with my hands. Okay.
Any of them that can tore down like this?
Yeah, I had one on the rotisserie still.
Oh, we
Yeah.
had to, a guy had her on the rotisserie in his shop for 18 months.
Yeah.
My brother was a lawyer. He said, give that car to him because he can keep her now.
Yeah, because he could claim storage and all that. Probably what he was trying to do. Now you get your little scooter, go around town, something. You know what I'm saying? That'd be cool. I'm into motorcycles and stuff like that.
You just left the guy that was helping with the battery on my car. What did I count? How many motorcycles? 13 motorcycles in his garage.
Really? The one guy that was here?
Yeah.
Tell him to have me come over here. I'll do a shoot. I haven't really done too much motorcycle stuff. Here's my thing about bikes, okay? I love motorcycles. Like, I am definitely a through and through motorcycle guy, but my wife is not a motorcycle person, and I don't have a lot of friends with motorcycles, so you always end up buying the motorcycle, and you end up just kind of staring at it more, and it kind of hurts. Every time you walk by it, it's like, I want to be on that motorcycle. You know what I'm saying? So that's like, and every time I get one, I always end up selling it, making money off it. So that's my thing with motorcycles.
The dog rides down on the Goldwing down the highway with him.
Really? Oh man, yeah, we definitely need to pick up. What is he into, Harleys?
You know what? I don't think he has a Harley in his garage.
No? Indians then or something.
Yeah, he's got all sorts. He's got Kawasaki.
Oh, okay, so he's into all kinds of stuff. That's pretty awesome.
My grandson is 8, and he's got 2 motorcycles there. He's got one of those little trucks.
Yeah, those are cool. Yeah, those are super cool.
Yeah, he's got one of those. There's a gas tank on it right now. It's at the shop at his friend's house.
See, that's fun. Them them little projects, you know what I'm saying? The easier stuff.
Well, they're not all motorcycles. There's four-wheelers, there's three-wheelers, there's...
Three-wheelers are cool, but I heard they're really sketchy if you're not
Well,
careful.
the one he has is a 60. It's just a small little 60. And then he's got another one that is a 250, and the grandkids just love it.
Yeah.
He's got a little bit, maybe 2 acres, 3 acres a day.
Where's he stay out here? Once-Hill? Oh, well, he's closer to me out that way. Okay, so we got that on. Now let's see what's up with this car cover. I never really did a car cover on the flatbed before, but I don't want anything getting out of there. It's almost rainy like conditions right now, so we don't want to get water to get inside the motor. So when are you going back to Arizona?
I fly home tonight.
Tonight?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm glad things were, it can be very dramatic.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And it's been a long week, so
I'm ready to get from my bed
I'm glad you guys get to be in peace and
in warm weather.
yeah. Because this whole thing has been a ride for you with him, you know, in the condition that he's been and just
Yeah.
everything, huh? Yeah. Well, I'm glad. Okay. All right, I don't want to put this on like a chooch. This car cover is way too big for this car. This is for like a 1957 Bel Air, and this car don't even have fenders on it. This thing can probably cover my whole tow truck. This can probably cover my whole tow truck and the car. Yeah, probably. I can't even put a mattress cover on correctly. You think I'm gonna put this car cover on good? Yeah, so you have a lot more skills at this than me. I would just cover the wheels and everything because it's so huge. See? And just like doing a mattress, the same thing. Girl's telling me, you're definitely putting it on the wrong way. Now we're gonna sit here for 10 minutes and debate which way it comes on.
See, there goes.
Yeah, that's so I can use those bungees, I think.
Yeah, to tie it down. This is like right.
I was hoping I wasn't gonna have to stab holes in this thing because I got my little hole stabber right there. Somewhere. Then I would just pull it really tight, like kind of like all the way to the back. Oh, Brown Betty, you getting the royal treatment. See, I'm glad I didn't want backwoods Bobby pulling up with a trailer, loading up your Trans Am in his little S10 pickup truck.
The front.
Yeah, that goes right on the front.
You had it on tire.
Okay.
There we go. Yeah, I was going to make sure I got somebody that had a front end that would take care of her.
Make sure you didn't pull up in his little Honda Civic with a trailer attachment.
That's why I didn't want to call budget. You know what you paid for. Okay, I think.
Okay, you think that's good? Good. Well, actually, this car cover is not that huge. I mean, it still is a pretty big car.
Yeah. Yeah, we.
All right.
Yeah.
Think so? How many of these little holes are at the bottom here? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stab a couple holes in this. Oh, great job, guys. I knew that was gonna happen too. Here, maybe you can pull it over with one of these. Here. Okay, now then pull that over there.
There, that's a good idea.
We gotta go one more. It's not gonna reach, right? Here, let me see.
Yeah, the cover will be. Somebody to
Oh, I'll get up underneath there.
hook that. So see, the cover will go, and you
Yeah.
can't see it to hook it.
Okay.
I won't let go.
All right, I got it.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, here's that one.
Had it go. Get out of the garage.
Yeah, she didn't want to come peacefully. Let me get my stabber. I thought I had it with me. All right. Oh, probably should take that out first. There we go. Okay.
There you go. What do you think?
I'm gonna put a couple more on it just to give it some more stability in the front. And then in the back.
Got a tail on it.
See, it's already got a pretty good, it's pretty tight, you know, underneath there.
But up in the back, it's not.
Yeah, I still gotta, I'm definitely gonna have to do that back.
Do put one in the
I'm gonna
front
put
and
one in the front and a couple in the back and it'll probably be okay.
You want to do one in the front and pull it all the way through? And
Yeah.
then the back?
That's what I'll do. Kind of just give it some more tension. And that motor getting water in it.
Yeah.
It sat in its garage its whole time. I'm not gonna let it get wet now and
Yeah,
transport,
it's
you
never
know?
been outside.
Yeah. Danny will appreciate that also.
Even when we bought her, we had her inside. So one in the center?
Yeah, I should definitely do one in the center.
Okay.
Okay, and then, yep, I'll throw this one over.
Oh, it came undone.
Did it? Okay. Get that. Let's see here. Got that one. And actually, I'll put this one in its own.
Nobody will get to see what you got under there.
Yeah, that's good. Be a little secret mission with Black Betty. There we go. Yep, you're just gonna put a couple on the back there. And I'm seeing if I could kind of do what we've kind of been doing.
They go all the way to the front. There's a tie off on this
Maybe if I could do this,
That's what I was.
pull it this way,
There you go.
and then we'll wrap it so that way it makes a thick
And then hook,
anchor point.
hook your bungee.
Let me go right there.
This in here. You could hook
Oh yeah, actually you're right. That's
and
a
then you
good.
could put a bungee to this side
Yeah.
and a bungee to that
What
side.
we'll do is we'll exit.
Yeah, and now you can put one to this side.
Yep. Ain't your first rodeo, huh?
No.
And then I think, you know, I'll just feel better if there's. I don't want to be looking at that tow truck that's got something flapping all crazy, you know, on the highway. So we'll put one more. Right here. I can't get that black betty song out of my head. I've been singing it all week. If I can afford the rights, I'll play it in my video.
Oh, that'd be cool.
I think John Betty's on the set there. Yeah. Yeah, yep, I gotta grab that jack and a couple more things. That's why it was important for me to do this at the end. You know what I'm saying? I wanted you to be there. I could have came, you know, yesterday and just got it out, but this kind of needed its own moment within itself. You know what I'm saying?
I'm glad we got to help, you know?
Yeah, yeah. It feels better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It really does. It does.
I wanted to be so
But it's okay. We got it. We got it on video. Everything. He can sit there and watch it. It'll make him feel better. Absolutely, it will. Because then he's not going to miss it. So,
yeah.
you know. Oh goodness. Well, I'm gonna get on out of here. You guys ever get yourself in some trouble, give me a call and I'll help you out. And I'm sure we'll be in touch soon. And then we'll see, hopefully Dan, you know, gets the process going soon. So, all right, guys. All right, thank you guys. You guys have a good one. All right, on to get this up to Danny's shop.